Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making chocolate Oreo ice cream at home with a few ingredients from scratch. These are the ingredients we are using for today's chocolate Oreo ice cream. So we have some cold water, milk, we have my homemade condensed milk, the recipe is linked below, you can check out, instant whipped cream powder, Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. To begin, I'm going to combine our instant whipped cream powder with the cold water and the cold milk until stick peak is formed using the whisk as our mixing tool. Next, we'll pour into it our homemade condensed milk and then we'll stir everything together until a uniform mixture is obtained. This is our ice cream base, which we'll be using very soon. To make the chocolate ice cream or our chocolate Oreo ice cream, we are going to start by adding in our cocoa powder and then we'll whisk it in until our chocolate ice cream base is obtained. Next, we'll crush some Oreo cookies into it. Mix it with our spatula until evenly mixed and then we transfer it from our mixing bowl into our ceramic bowl that we'll be using to freeze our ice cream. We'll smoothen the top bit with the spatula. Add some Oreo cookies to the top. Cover with cling film and then leave in the fridge for 6 hours or more. This can also be left in the fridge overnight to help the ice cream properly form. Before we get into the next aspect, please my loves, have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you haven't, kindly do so now by clicking on the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. There is nothing being charged for just subscribing and joining this delicious and amazing team every single day on your screens. Please subscribe and I promise you are going to enjoy it. This is our chocolate Oreo ice cream right out of the fridge. We are going to serve it. So this is how it looks like. After serving the chocolate Oreo ice cream, we are going to top it up with extra Oreo cookies. And this is how it looks like. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.